tech gadgets have become increasingly popular, offering convenience, style, and functionality right at our fingertips, or rather, on our wrists, heads, and bodies. From smartwatches that track our fitness to augmented reality glasses that enhance our daily experiences, the realm of wearable technology is vast and ever-evolving. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 wearable tech gadgets. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get regular updates. Let's get started. Number 5. wristlax Wrist Massager. The wristlax's Wrist Massager is a revolutionary wearable bracelet designed to alleviate wrist pain caused by prolonged computer or phone use. Unlike traditional bulky massagers, this innovative device seamlessly integrates into your daily life, providing relief wherever you go. The wrist massager not only eliminates strain, but also enhances relaxation, ensuring a pain-free experience during extended periods of typing, drawing, or gaming. Its versatile design extends its support even while you sleep, offering continuous comfort. The bracelet boasts 4 distinct massage modes catering to various preferences and needs, including continuous vibration, intermittent vibration, electrical muscle stimulation, and a combination of electrical muscle stimulation with intermittent vibration. With its user-friendly approach and diverse functionalities, the wristlax's Wrist Massager presents a practical solution for those seeking effective and convenient wrist pain relief in the modern, technology-driven world. Number 4. Mendy Headset. The Mendy headset stands out as a unique and convenient device designed to foster laser-like focus, leaving users feeling energized, excited, and free from distractions. This wearable tech gadget goes beyond traditional approaches by actively tracking the blood flow to the frontal lobe of the brain, thereby aiding in the enhancement of focus. The headset utilizes advanced technology to measure brain activity, providing users with real-time visual feedback through a dedicated app. This live feedback mechanism allows individuals to gain insights into their brain's functioning, enabling a natural and gradual improvement over time. As users engage with the Mendy headset, they embark on a journey to strengthen the muscles responsible for controlling and operating the entire brain. The device offers a simple and user-friendly experience, making it an excellent tool for boosting concentration and mental agility. With the Mendy headset, users can receive immediate insights into their brain activity, creating a personalized and effective approach to enhancing focus and cognitive abilities. Number 3. Shockbox Helmet Sensors. For individuals harboring concerns regarding the potential for concussions in hockey or football, there exists a range of shockbox helmet sensors that offer a practical solution. These sensors prove particularly advantageous for athletes, coaches, or parents of young sports enthusiasts who harbor apprehensions about the risk of head trauma in contact sports. The hockey shockbox helmet sensor is ingeniously crafted for easy attachment to the top of a hockey helmet, effortlessly relaying hit counts wirelessly to a connected smartphone. In the event of a head impact that raises the specter of a concussion, this sensor eliminates guesswork by promptly alerting the user to cease playing and urgently seek medical advice. Similarly, the football shockbox sensor is meticulously designed to be affixed to the interior of a football helmet, providing a similar real-time monitoring and alert system for potential head injuries. These innovative technologies serve as invaluable tools in promoting safety and mitigating the risks associated with head injuries in sports. Number 2. Zengso S Ring. Have you ever taken a moment to ponder the multitude of gadgets we lug around daily in our quest for convenience? Well, envision a paradigm shift with the advent of the Zengso S Ring, ushering in the era of bidding farewell to the clutter of multiple devices. This ingenious smart wearable transcends conventional expectations, serving as a veritable powerhouse of features. Picture the convenience of seamlessly receiving calls through Bluetooth connectivity, effortlessly storing files, managing music playback, and executing instant digital payments, all encapsulated within a sleek, unassuming ring. What's more, the Zengso S Ring elevates security measures by enabling secure file unlocking through the Touch ID on your smartphone, adding an extra layer of safeguarding for your valuable data. With the inclusion of a built-in voice assistant, tasks such as checking the current time or setting an alarm become effortlessly streamlined. In times of urgency, the SOS button integrated into the ring becomes a swift lifeline. The Zengso S Ring emerges as a transformative force, simplifying and enriching various facets of our daily lives in a single, compact accessory. Number 1. Tap Strap 2. The Tap Strap 2 is a cutting-edge wearable tech gadget designed for effortless typing and gaming without the need for a traditional mouse or keyboard. All that's required is a solid surface and the strap on your hand. When connected to any Bluetooth-enabled device, the Tap Strap 2 functions as a wireless keyboard and mouse. Alternatively, you can utilize intuitive gestures for efficient web page scrolling. Instead of navigating through multiple keys, a simple tap with 1 or 2 fingers on a surface is all it takes. Using the mouse is equally uncomplicated, requiring only the placement of the thumb's flat ring on a surface. One of the notable features of the Tap Strap 2 is its extended battery life, ensuring prolonged usage without frequent recharging. Additionally, the device offers a comfortable fit, making it pleasant to wear for extended periods. Its Bluetooth connectivity expands its compatibility, allowing seamless use with a variety of devices and platforms such as laptops, smartphones, smart TVs, and VR headsets. That's all for now. Like and share the video and follow us for more amazing videos. Thanks for watching.